Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by making the phone ready. Update the OS and the Assistant app so features match the guide. Once done, open Settings and enable microphone and location permissions. Make sure battery saver is off because it can block background listening. Next, sign into the Assistant account you'll use, for example Google or Apple, and return to the Assistant's app page. Now tap Setup or Voice Settings to start the first configuration steps. You'll configure how the Assistant listens and responds. Choose your wake word and adjust listening sensitivity so false triggers drop. Then select Language and a Voice option. You can pick regional accents to improve recognition. Make sure to run voice match or training so the Assistant recognizes your voice. This improves accuracy. Also enable offline speech packs if offered to speed recognition without network lag. Once voice options are set, link calendars, email, and smart devices for full functionality. You're almost done. Set the Assistant as the default voice assistant and allow lock screen access if you want quick responses. Create a couple of shortcuts or a morning routine to automate tasks, and then run 3 test commands: ask for the weather, set a timer, and send a message to confirm end-to-end function. If something fails, check microphone permissions first. If that didn't help, reboot the phone and, as a last step, reinstall the Assistant app to clear corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.